Since the dawn of our kind, we've had a gift, un don. It's known many different names, but its shine has always been the same, that of creative sparks, which shine like stars, superestrellas, and not the kind that only last for a quick wish, but the constant constellations that we look up to as we wonder who in the world will we be in this wonderful world of creativity. The gift of artists, artistas, something we're all born with, but its guiding glow of hope was lost in a blur of blue lights. In an age of anxiety and a land of algorithms and AI, the world felt like it would spiral and scroll out of control. But they found a powerful spark of hope in you. Yes, you, on the other side of this glass screen, could join us on a quest. A quest to find creativity in a modern world.
I may not be a dragon, but I would like to be your friend in this journey, because I know what it means to look at the world and see its storage is almost filled with differences. To feel alone, like you have no footsteps to follow as you face some of life's unanswerable questions. As you look for meaning and find chaos, conflict, and confusion. Which is why we would like to start this journey, this quest to find creativity as we move through the world, through time, and into the imaginations of all kinds of artists, of all kinds of people like you and me. We hope that you'll start to see that no matter how different we may feel on the surface, we all share the same dreams and doubts about how and where to build a place for ourselves in this world. We are all capable of creating. And yes, humans have created many problems, but we've also created many beautiful things. Like magic and science, art and music, sculpture and dance, comic and cinema, philosophies and flavors of so many good foods. Just to name a few of the things that show that our future is as bright as our creative sparks. Because even and especially when it feels like things might fall apart, like we're worlds apart, we can come together when we make art. Our gift to craft unity between identity and community, between what is and what could be, between dreams and reality. And the reality is, most of us barely have energy to keep up with reality. Being an artist can feel like an impossible fantasy. One that hurts to hold on to, but that you can't seem to let go of. Together, we could build a space. A place where people feel seen, heard, supported, safe. Free to be the artists they always have been, always will be, and are always becoming. It all starts with a click that takes you to a magical place where you can write modern letters of support, connecting us across time and space, where you can leave likes of life-changing love, where you can listen to stories in an infinite library, the kinds of stories that will make you believe that we are living in an age of creativity, not free from anxiety, but full of possibility.
Action!
When the directions that our creative sparks fly are as diverse as our differences, as continuous as our curiosities, as infinite as our imaginations, and as connected as our similarities, it's no wonder that it can feel almost impossible to have an image of what it means to be an artist. But if you're up for the challenge, we're determined to stretch a canvas around all of the world in time and space, charting all of the paths that we have paved in this wonderful world of creativity. An exploration of what it means to be an artist, a quest to find creativity in a modern world. One that we hope will encourage you to follow your creative sparks wherever they may take you. And I won't lie, it's not always going to be easy, but things will feel like an adventure in the company of good friends. And I'm so excited to say that it's not just me and a dragon behind this glass screen, but an entire creative community. Artists that I've met throughout my life have been working on this project for, I'm not gonna lie, actually years. Some of the footage you've seen is over 5 years old. Some of the animations that you've seen have taken months, all drawn and done by hand in order to make you believe that we really are living in a world of creativity. And we really are not sure where this adventure will take us. We're excited to explore it with you. We want to build a space for artists, one where people, as I've said, feel seen, heard, and safe, and free to follow their creativity, whatever that may be. So please reach out to us. We would love to collaborate. And, if your support can be financial, that would also mean the world to us because, we're spending a lot of time on these things and it helps a lot to be able to invest back into the artists that are working on this. And with that, I'll leave you to a final word from our friend, the dragon.
You know you want to join our quest. It starts with a simple click. To join the artist team, you can sign up for Patreon, or you can continue on until our next adventure into the life of an artist you may know who goes by the name of Vincent van Gogh. Or Gough. Or you know what I mean. Just watch the next video.